We're at Rose, and this is a Rube Goldberg machine. It has to be complicated. No.
Is there an assigned task that has to complete?
We have to
open a can of soda.
Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. Bottle opener?
A stick. Some kind of Boy Scout multi-purpose knife. Swiss Army knife.
Popsicle sticks?
Racing. A tire.
Why not? We've got like 5 tires. Why not just a ton of tires? We've got Walmart.
We've got all sorts of random crap around the dorm that we can use. We have miles of duct tape. Yeah. The fancy connects, which can be easily like modified into some kind of like chain.
Like those little round magnets.
Airsoft pistol.
Maybe levers and baseball bat.
I have plenty of Nerf guns as well.
In the actual roller coaster?
Definitely use the motor. Dowel rods or something. Little hammer.
Measuring tape.
Okay.
Got a bed frame.
We can
make a slingshot.
Mattress dominoes.
Compressed air. I have no clue what you'd use that for. Screwdriver.
That inflatable elephant still here?
Have a microwave it. Some type of nuclear fission. Have a big rubber bands holding it up right here, and then once it moves, the rubber bands will be released, and they'll shove that thing down into it.
I've got needles in my room.
Like, put the sewing needle like right at the end and have it.
Just a needle hole in the side and let it drain.
Yeah.
Overnight even. We need string everywhere. Just like not even necessarily doing anything, just to make it more complicated.
Like Spider-Man everywhere.
The biggest concern about Rube Goldberg machines is having everything work in one round. So everything has to be stable. We're not allowed to endanger a building or people.
Yeah.
Trying to contemplate how to make this epic.
You gotta think of something neat to start off with.
It's gotta be rigid enough that it's not gonna break under. We'll have this sitting right here. We're gonna have the tire drop directly on top.
Yes. And we need something.
We need some small little piece of like metal or something to just lay there. So when it hits it, it just.
Do we have to actually pop the tab?
That's what I was.
We just needed to go. We just need the can to go.
Instead of trying to go through that pain in the butt task of popping the tab, we're just gonna puncture the thing. Here. So puncture will be the last one. That actually makes it a whole lot easier. Because then you can just have the tire pretty much fall straight on it.
Yeah.
Drop a tire from the roof.
We can at least
down the stairs.
Yes. How are we going to trigger the tire?
Just have it resting right on there, and then whatever it triggers pulls the trigger back. Just
yes.
Like if we were to stretch this track somewhere, we're not putting pins into the baseball bat like ghetto nails.
Wait, why do we need the baseball bat and the tire?
Well, I think the baseball bat would be able to give us like some extra leverage and something that we have a lot of room to work with.
I think the tire is a lot of overkill.
So that's the point. Like we're going for they opened a can with a tire, that kind of thing.
That burns a rope and the tire falls.
The tire rolls down the stairs.
If we wrap Gotham up in duct tape and have him fall, on something.
No.
Something hits him that he falls onto like a mattress or whatever.
No.
Just at the very end.
No. We could like tip a mattress over and it could slide down.
Taylor's idea is to ride a chair down the stairs.
And a chair that we could potentially slide down the bed frame.
Slide down the bed frame?
Put the bed
frame
down the stairs.
Put the carpet over
carpet
it.
in the fourth dimension over that to make it a soft surface, and then slide the chair down that.
Oh, man.
Just some
Empty can
random
of soda.
function so that way it crushes the can. And then they're gonna be like, "Oh, wait a minute, but you had to open it." And it continues.
That was the other can.
That was the other
Canception. No.
No.
Okay.
You could use like a completely duct tape mechanism.
Duct tape isn't good for reliability.
We may be overcomplicating this.
Stop. Hammer time.
Okay, I got it. So.
Now, do we have any kind of bottle opener? Why not? Just a stick. A stick. I don't know. It's gotta be rigid enough that it's not gonna break. Yeah, that's right. So we've got the can. Do you not have some kind of Boy Scout multi-purpose knife? Like Swiss Army knife? Do you have one? Probably. Okay, would we be able to? Because if Tony Martin's able to keep there, is the thing. Like stay set up. Alright. We need popsicle sticks. So.
We're just going
Gonna put
to
the hole.
do that. That would be awesome. Hi, Mark.
I'm Bradley.
Between 30 and probably about 50 different segmented ideas to put into the one chain reaction.
I probably would have changed how they linked together and made sure that the links actually worked with each other.
Definitely.
They each worked on their own, but they didn't like trigger each other.
It was a combination of just using what we had at the time and YouTube videos and asking other people about, what would you think would look cool
Yeah.
if something were to happen.
That's how we came up with the ideas for the popsicle bomb, and all sorts of different parts came from YouTube. We found dominoes everywhere,
Yeah.
and the Kinects helped a lot.
And we use a lot of resources that we had at hand instead of going out and getting stuff. So